Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about structural Verilog code for T flip-flop. So we have got a T flip-flop here. So this is basically the modified version of SR flip-flop, you can say. So in case of SR we will be having S and R input. But in case of T, that is toggle flip-flop, where the output will be changing from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That is, it is continuously changing. So that's why it is called as toggle flip-flop. Okay, so the SR flip-flop is modified in such a way that T is given and the complement of T is given to the other AND gate. So for first AND gate T is there, and for second AND gate T bar will be given. So as you can see, T bar is given for the second AND gate, and these are given to the XOR gates. So that we will be getting first as the Q output, and Q bar will be the complement of Q. Okay, so this circuit diagram we need whenever you are writing the structural Verilog code. So as I said, gate level description is very important for structural Verilog coding. So if you want to write anything related to structural Verilog, then you should have a picture of that circuit diagram in the gate level representation. Then only it will be very easy for us to write the code. Alright, so we will define first module, that is module T flip-flop, and it is TFFS as the name. So it is user defined name, guys. You can give anything. So I have taken as TFFS. Okay, so you can give your name also. So no problem there. It will not throw an error. So we have to define the inputs and outputs here. So T is the input, clock is the input, Q is the output, and Q bar is the output as well. So put a semicolon over there, and it will indicate the close of the module first statement. Okay, so then we need to define what are inputs and what are outputs. So input is T, input is clock, then output is Q, output is Q bar. So I have defined inputs and outputs. Then wire S1, S2 and S3. So these are like a temporary variables S1, S2 and S3 we are defining in order to calculate. Then first what I need complement of this T. So what I will do, I will use a NOT gate here, not N1. So you can give so at the end this is also an user defined or user choice. So I have named it as N1 because it is a NOT gate. So you can give anything or any name which you want. Okay, so I have defined it as N1. So N1, this is like output and input. So what will be its output? Its output is S3. So this signal will be S3 here, and this is the input, that is T is the input. So I have taken capital T. So in program I can write small t. So when I change to small t, it will become okay now. So this is the output, S3 is the output and T is the input. For this, T is coming and S3 is going. So output and input. So similarly for this one, that is AND, I will write AND A1. So S1 is the output. So this is S1. So for that, input will be T. So this T will be input, then clock will be input, and then Q will be the input. Okay, so these three components are the inputs for first AND gate. Similarly for this is first and this is second AND gate. So S2 will be the output. So this is S2, and inputs are clock and S3. S3 is the input because S3 is coming, then clock is coming, then Q bar is coming. So Q bar is coming here. So these are the three inputs for the second AND gate. Now for this one I have to write NOR. So NOR R1, output is Q and inputs are S1 and QB. S1 and QB is the input for this one. So similarly for this one, output will be Q bar and input will be S2 and Q. So output will be Q bar, input will be S2 and Q. So then end module. So like this, this how we can write the structural Verilog code for T flip-flop. So you can observe how easy it is writing to write this code if you know the gate level representation. So you can take any example, then you just need to write the gate level representation, and then whatever is required you just define it here. So it is 100% working, guys, and I have executed all those codes. So I have a playlist of around 70 videos, so you can learn everything about Xilinx Model Sim coding there. So I hope you like this video. Please guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you, thanks for watching.